Hello everybody. uh, on we want to download the IT1 form for tax return as usual, but this time around you find that there is an issue with macros, so I want us to see how to solve that. So let me try to open this form. I just downloaded it right away, and you find that there is an issue here. It tells me that Microsoft has blocked macros from running because the source of the file is untrusted. So how do you solve this? Because with this you can't fill the form, so it's easy. You start by let's close this. Let me close this too. Then you extract this to the desktop, for example, like I've done here, and then you right click, and then you go to the last option of properties. I'll try to move these, but I think I don't know that it will fit. Nevertheless, show more properties for those of us who are using Windows 11, and then go to the last part of properties. So on properties, there's this last part on security. Just click here and block, and you're done. So now if you try to open this file again, you find that the macros are not an issue again. So now this one just enable content, and you can fill the form as usual. So I think that one we've solved. So now let's fill the form. I've done this tutorial in the past. Maybe I'll give the link for those who want to go and study on that. So let me just populate this form fast enough. Just fill it where you work, if it's staff, and your salary being as I've shown here. Just fill the form. I believe everybody has their P9 form, and so you just fill it up, and let's see what happens. I'm just filling the form, so you people should also do this. Fill your forms. I've done some tutorials on this, so just fill it right, and ensure you've done everything according to your P9 forms, so that you continue with what I want to see. You find that after filling these everything here, my pension is okay. This balance 1980.30 cents. I'm supposed to validate, but it means that I'll have to pay this amount. And if I check from my P9, there is some insurance relief, which is 165 shillings. So if you compute 165 times 12 months, you'll find that this is this amount that appears to be the tax due. So it means that the relief that I got from insurance is not captured anywhere. So how do we go about this? So let me now address this issue. So first is that you go to the form, go to the basic part A, basic info, look for insurance. Do you have a life insurance policy? That's number 13 here, and then you check and say yes. Number 13 is here, say yes, and then it will open another form. This FL is computation of insurance relief. Then write the insurance, the PIN of the insurance company that is insuring you. For most of us, when I try to ask from those who are bringing these forms for me to fill, I realized that they didn't have the life insurance policy. They didn't have the insurance policy. So I tried to find out the issue, and I tried to send them to the employer, but they didn't bring anything substantial. So really what you should do this is that carrying the NHIF introduced a relief under their insurance scheme of NHIF, and so what you need to do here is just fill the PIN for NHIF and the details for NHIF. So the first is that you fill the NHIF PIN, which is what I'm writing here. Then next you write the name of the insurance company, that is NHIF. Then the type of policy is held, and the insurance policy is the number of your NHIF number. If you don't have this number, it is simple. Just go to your phone and on your phone, text the name ID space, then that ID number, that is ID and then space your ID number, and send it to 1550 1550. You'll get your insurance policy number, which is your NHIF number. Then the type of policy, the policy holder is self, and then the date of commencement is the beginning of the year, that is 01/01/2022 to the end of the year. Has done that, just the same as the return period. And then on the sum assured, this is the total premiums for the year, the total amount of insurance you've paid. For example, if you've been paying 1100 per month, you check your pay slip, then times 12, it will be 13,200. So you rate here 13,200, the total for the year. It's not for the month. So your total for the year, that is 1,100, for example, for this person, times the 12 months. So now if you check well to the last part of the tax computation, you've done away with that. So this is how to go about it. I'll leave the NHIF PIN number here, and maybe so that you people can check. So thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. I'll meet you next time.